Well, our rivers are seeing the impact of several days of sub-zero temperatures and then several days of above freezing temperatures. Check this out. This is the ice flow on the Rock River this morning near TPC at Deer Run. Our News 8 drone flew low and slow over the ice to show how the river can jam at any time. The National Weather Service says they haven't seen any major ice jams in our area yet. Any that do form could cause some localized flooding. Along the Mississippi, ice jams are less common because it's so wide, but smaller rivers like the Rock and the Wapsie are more vulnerable.
With a lot of ice in the Mississippi, I think there could have been a little bit of a reverse ice jam where it's like kind of hits the Mississippi and there's not, the Mississippi's frozen up. So it's got all this liquid water hitting ice in the Mississippi. So I think we saw a little bit of backup.
The National Weather Service will release 3 flooding outlook reports, the first coming out on February 15th. Those look at current conditions plus longer range forecasts to determine flooding risk.